Oh, this is recording. Okay, great. Let's get my bangs. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I'm so excited to do this look for you guys today. I've been wanting to do it for weeks now. As soon as I saw Kacey Musgraves post this, I was obsessed. If you know me, you know that I love berets. I've been wearing berets forever. I have them in every color. They are my absolute favorite accessory. So when I saw her do a full blue monochromatic look with a beret, I knew that this was going to be the first video that I do for you guys in 2021. So if you guys want to find out how to get this look, this is super easy, really simple, and it's a really fun way to play up your eyes, especially for the new year, because I don't think masks are going anywhere yet, but hopefully soon. Prayers. All right, guys, if you want to find out how to get this look, keep on watching. So this is the photo that I'm using as my inspiration. I love Kacey Musgraves so much. I've been a fan of her for so many years. I think she's so beautiful, and her makeup is just always perfect. I've watched her Christmas special so many times just because I think she's so pretty. It's so glamorous and girly, and everything is just like aesthetically so beautiful. So this is the look that... Honestly, like, I can't imagine what it's like being a mom, but this is pretty close to it. She like can't be away from me ever. All right, first thing I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Lock-It Spray. This is a makeup setting mist, but I'm actually going to use it underneath. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This color is in 350. I really love this foundation. I haven't had it for so long. And then I got an email from Sephora and it was on sale for $20. I think the sale might be over now, but it was such a good deal. I was so happy to get it for so cheap. This foundation is really pretty. It has a really satiny finish. It looks like skin, which for 2021, that is a big trend. We are going back to natural looking skin. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using this STILA eyeshadow. This color is called Nude Awaken. So I've never used this before, but I got this on sale at Nordstrom Rack. If you guys haven't shopped the makeup section at Nordstrom Rack, you are missing out because there's so many like inexpensive, great brands that are there. But I've never used this shadow before, so I don't actually know if this is how it's supposed to feel or this is just watered down. Anyway, I kind of like it. Let's bring you guys in a little bit closer. All right, so the palette I'm going to use today is the KKW palette. I used this palette before, and I'm going to be using the pink shadows from here, and I'm just going to apply this right in my crease. Okay, so now I'm actually going to mix that pink with the nude color, and I'm going to do this all over my lid because she has like a really pinky kind of mauve-y shadow on. Then I'm going to take the lightest color and I'm going to go right underneath my brow bone. Okay, so for the next color, I'm going to grab this purpley mauve-y kind of color, and I'm just going to take another little tiny brush and I'm going to go right into my crease just to give it a little bit of depth. Okay, same brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of that lighter color and just go right on top of my lid. All right, so my next step, I'm just going to be applying liquid liner. I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath liner, and I'm going to go all over my lid. Oh, my nose is itchy. Why is your nose always itchy when you're doing eyeliner? All right, I'm going to apply my lashes. These are the Yilena Luxury Lashes in Paris. I'm going to cut these in half. Just make them a little bit easier for me to apply. Okay, so these lashes make the most sense to me. So the lashes that she uses are very straight up, and they have a lot more length in the center and it doesn't really accentuate on the end. So that's why I chose this lash, because these go a little bit more straight up and they make my eyes look a little bit more open, opposed to what I normally do is a much more almondy shape eye. Okay, so this is the most important part of the whole look. I'm going to be doing the under eye with the blue. So first I'm going to be using this NYX pencil. This color is Faux White, and this is White Smoke. I've used this before. And this is going all in the waterline. For the blue color, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection palette, and I'm going to be using the blue color in the center. Just going to be taking a brush, dipping it in, and putting it right on top of that lighter color. The other day when I did this look, I actually used this LA Girl pencil that's like this bright blue, but I thought it was a little bit too teal. I wanted it to be a little bit more baby blue, so that's why I decided to go with this. So you guys can use whatever blue liner you have at home, or in my case, a blue shadow. And I'm almost getting it a little bit into my lashes. I'm applying it really heavily. And I'm gonna continue with that brush and put it underneath the lash line a little bit. Now with the little fluffy brush, I'm just gonna grab that color that I used on top, the pink and the mauve, and I'm just gonna go right underneath just to give a little extra smoke. That's so beautiful. I like love this blue liner so much. It looks so pretty. And now some bottom mascara. All right, now I'm gonna quickly contour and highlight so you can see the full effect. I'm gonna be using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. I love this concealer, I use it all the time. It's really great for a natural concealer when you're not really in the mood for something very, very heavy and thick. This is my go-to. And since I did this look for a daytime event at a vineyard where the light was very, very bright, I didn't really want to be too cakey, so I went with this concealer. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute and then do some contour. As you can see, this is a really nice natural highlight and contour. It's not too heavy, I'm not doing too much. This is really simple and easy. All right, now let's bake my face. I love using it with this. I feel like it just takes away my pores. For one of my final steps, I'm going to be using my KEVYN Aquan lip liner. This color is called Minimal. And Kacey has very full lips, so I'm going to do a little bit more of a contour around these guys, just with a brush. She has a really rounded lip on top. She doesn't have a huge cupid's bow, so I'm just going to extend a little bit higher in here. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be using BAREMINERALS. This color is called Grace. It's a very pretty natural mauve pink. All right. Okay, so I took a look at the photo. I think the only thing that I need a little bit more of is a little bit more mascara. I feel like my lashes just need to be a little bit more spiky. Honestly, I have to cook dinner, but I really would put bottom lashes on if I had a little bit more time. Oh, there is one thing I'm forgetting. I knew it. I need an inner highlight that I didn't do the other day. I need an inner tear duct highlight. I didn't do this the other day. And when I re-looked at the photo, I was like, oh, that is what I need to do. Use the lightest color in the KKW palette. I don't really have like the best tear duct for inner corner highlights. I don't think it looks like that great on me because of my eye shape, but kind of into this. Let's put on my beret. Okay guys, I think I did a really good job. I don't know if you can, how can I make her face? I love this look. I mean, she has a wing. I didn't notice that she has a wing. I have to do a wing. Okay, hold on. Those look even? Oh, if I could only make a fake bang. Okay guys, here it is. This is my Spacey Kacey makeup tutorial. I had so much fun doing this look. I had a great time wearing it on Saturday, and I will list everything that I used below. And I'm gonna be adding Kacey Musgraves, makeup artist, her Instagram down below, because if you love her makeup like I do, you should definitely check out her work. All right guys, I will see you on the next one. This smells like a
semi-sweet 2018.
I think more of a semicolon.
A semicolon.